What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, make sure you hit that sub button, hit that like button so you guys know exactly when I put out a new little video just like this. Well, today I'm going camping. So we got a friend that's coming into town. He's moving across country and he's in Vegas. So we're getting together, doing a little camping trip overnight. This is the first time that I've gone camping since living in Vegas. So it's nothing big, it's just a little campground. I got a little tent, I'll show you guys, and let's get on the road to the campground. Alright, had to make a quick pit stop here at Smith's, had to pick up some ice, firewood, hot dog buns. But before I get too far into the weeds, I got myself some sushi to enjoy too. Can't help myself. But let's get on the road. Alright guys, we made it! We're at the campsite and look what we found. It's Car! So what's happening, buddy? How's your drive been?
Not too bad.
Yeah?
Going
Pretty
cross
fun?
country, stopping pretty much every state just to relax.
That's awesome. I mean, you're relaxing out here in the middle of nowhere. But I'm down for it because I haven't been camping in for fucking ever. So I'm excited to hang out. But I have a couple of things I have to put together. So why don't you guys come help me put the tent together? Because this has been the first one I've done in, I don't know, years. Alright, it may have been idiot proof because I got it together. Just to let you guys know, this was 20 bucks. Go online, you reserve the spot. This is spot 80. It's got me tagged on it because I reserved it online. But this is it. But I mean, it has plenty of space over here. There's a campfire. I have it all set up ready to go for once the sun goes down a little bit. There's a barbecue built in, a little dirty. I'd bring a wire brush, scrub it off. We have a picnic table. There's cars still hanging out. And the tent. We've got some good views across the backside, up across the mountain. There's some pictures of a coyote that just walked past us. Out that way, there's a trail. So this is a little camping spot. For 20 bucks, you can't beat it. It's actually pretty cool. All right, just added some wood to the fire. Let's cook these wieners. All right, well, the hot dogs are grilled and I haven't tasted a better hot dog in a long time. Over an open flame, no grill, no charcoal, just logs on a fire. Can't go wrong with it. All right, well, the hot dogs were delicious, but it's time for s'mores. So these marshmallows came out perfect. I have chocolate, I have graham crackers, and we're having a good time. Too bad the rest of you guys are missing out. All right, well, this is probably like the best scary story setup I can get. We put the fire out. It's it is pitch black out here, but on that note, we're probably gonna pass out soon, so I'll see you guys in the morning.
Don't wanna sleep tonight at all. Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside.
All right, well, it is 6 a.m. and this is probably like the most movement that I've seen at the campground since being here. Probably just because we're parked next to like the brick bathrooms over here. There's garbage cans, bathrooms, no showers at this campground, so it's not too busy, but everyone's either waking up and dumping their trash, waking up and going to the bathroom. Some people look like they're dropping off a bunch of trash and then leaving, so it's kind of busy in the morning. You'll hear cars coming and going. It definitely wasn't as hot out here in the desert as I thought it was going to be. I got out here at about 3 p.m. and the sun was still up and blazing, but it's not as hot as like the rest of the desert is. The one thing I did notice though is that even though I pitched up the tent, had it all laid out, when I went to bed after the sun had gone down, the ground was still warm, which kind of made it, you know, for a nice little cozy sleep, but it wasn't an unbearable heat. I mean, it's the dry desert, but it wasn't that bad. So I kind of consider this a trial run just to see if the kids could do it, because they both wanted to come along. Once they realized what I was doing, they wanted in. So I think they can handle it. Now, getting Mom out here, that's gonna be a whole different story. So I don't know if I actually told you guys what the name of this place was. So this is the Las Vegas Bay Campground. I don't know really why they call it Bay, because there's no bay around here. There is a trail over here. I actually wanted to go see what it looks like when it starts. It's called Bluff Trail. Let's go see what it looks like. No camping. Camping is not allowed in this area. I mean, this says there's like a little amphitheater over here, and then the trailhead. Wearing sandals. I wasn't prepared for this. Ooh. Oh, this is cool looking. So there's a bunch of benches over here. Looks like they do like cult rituals in the middle of the night, sacrificing a lamb, you know. Just kidding, I don't know what they do out here. It's kind of weird that they have this just set up out here like this. But you can hear the water flowing down there. And then over on that side, up the rocks, you can see the trail kind of starts over there. Now the trail goes back and then like kind of down by the water, but from what I could see on the map, it doesn't really meet up with the water anywhere. So I mean, unless we go straight down the side of this cliff, there's not really an easy way to get to the water. Maybe one day when I'm more adventurous. I have my wide angle lens on, so you can't really see because I can't zoom in on it, but the water is out that way. That's probably the only spot that you can see the water. And I mean, this is still, like, I still have to like climb down that even to get to it. So that's probably as close to the water as I'm gonna get on this trip. Alright, well, I think that's enough exploring for one trip. I think it's time to head back to camp, break it down, and head back to the family. Alright guys, well the camp is all broken down and it's time to head home. Hope you guys had fun watching this little video. It was fun filming this one. It was fun experiencing camping like this because I haven't done it in years. So We'll catch you guys next time.